Welcome to World Class and Sports Car. Today we've on offer this beautiful 1991 Lotus Elan SE Turbo. It's the M100 model, front wheel drive Isuzu engine. It's from 17,000 miles from new. We have previously sold this car a couple of years ago. We've done 16,000 miles then, sold it to an enthusiast who's got another near perfect example, and all he has done for the last couple of years is improve it. It's a one owner car until 2019. It's got all the original number plates, tax disc holders, loads of old MOTs, books, tools, everything you can imagine to make it, if not the best out there, certainly not far off. Paintwork is beautiful, there's no damage on it, the wheels are all in lovely condition. When I say near perfect on the paintwork, I'll say near perfect because there's just a little mark just down there where someone's just opened it against a wall, probably a garage wall or something. The rear lights are in perfect condition, very difficult to source nowadays. There's no cracks, no fading of the lenses or anything. We fitted tyres to it. When we sold it last time, there were the original tyres on the car. As I say, since the previous keeper had the vehicle, he's improved it underneath tremendously. He's detailed everything, he's done the brakes, all the fluids been changed, etc, etc. Wheels all lovely with the stickers. All the glass and everything, window frames, nice. Inside we've got a mixture of partial leather and cloth upholstery, which is very, very nice indeed. There's a slight bit of wear just on the driver's bolster, I will just point it out. It's only just faded a little bit, just with age. Obviously leather is a living thing. Dashboard, carpet's all superb. Panasonic radio cassette. It's got an alarm. Spare keys are all with the car. Electric windows all work and they're fast. Door cards in nice condition. And as you look down the shots and everything, you'll just see how nice and original this car is. So we've done a video of the underneath of the car and a load of photos, so you can look at those on the website. We'll take you down the road in it in a few moments. There we see the mileage, 17,394 as we stand. It's just in lovely condition, getting quite rare. Low mileage ones are getting very rare. Just nicely detailed, it's just wants nothing doing to it at all. Okay, in the boot, again, look how clean that is. Under the rear carpet here, just pull this out for you. Got the original tool, wheel socket, jack and the handle, and also the original tool kit down here, which we'll take out and just open up for you. How good is that? Certainly one for the collector. but it is very usable, having been recently serviced and the cam belt being changed as well, and the fluids. Okay, under the bonnet, same story, the condition is lovely, the shuts and everything are just spotless, headlights all work properly, visual stickers there, there's no accident damage this car. It's just one of those cars that don't come along very often. We'll pop the soft top up for you now and then just show you that with it up, and then we'll take you for a run down the road and show you underneath it. Thanks for looking so far. Okay, just to resume our presentation of this beautiful Elan, we've now put the soft top up. As you can probably imagine, looking at the rest of the car, the soft top's going to be just as good and it doesn't disappoint. No marks, no scratches, no tears, no stitching coming apart, super clear rear window. Looks good, even with the top up. On the inside, again, all the bars and everything, there's no corrosion or anything, all the hinges, nothing missing on it, so it's super. So there we are. So we'll now pop out of the ramp, show you underneath it, and then we'll take you down the road in it. Okay, we'll just take you underneath the little Lotus Elan now, just to show you just how clean this vehicle is. Look at all the floors there, no damage or anything like that. We've taken some high-res photos of them, but if you also look at these suspension arms, and everything's all covered in grease, very low mileage car obviously. Look at all the suspension components and the brakes there. The wheels are all in perfect condition. Down the sills, going towards the front of the vehicle. Subframe, again all the suspension components looking like new. And the brakes. No oil leaks from the engine and gearbox. No damage to the front spoiler. Really is just a super clean car. Radiator fans, intercooler. Side cam belt fitted fairly recently. So there we are, we'll take you down the road now. Take you for a buzz up the road in this beautiful low mileage Elan.